Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Google Business account email. So to do this is pretty simple. So if you want to change your Google Business account email, you will have to add another profile. So that means transfer of primary ownership of a business profile to another account. So you cannot change the Gmail again because that is a certain Gmail that you will be creating. Once you already created it, you cannot change it. So you can only change your primary ownership of a business profile and you can share it to another person. So here you first need to get verified and learn your business profile. So here you want to go to your business profile and I'll show you. So here, as you can see, you want to log into your business profile. From there you want to click your users tab and then review the available users on your profile. So here the users, as you can see, you can find the user that you want. So let's just say you want to do this. You want to click here and then manage the role and select your primary owner, as you can see right here. So as soon as you select your primary owner, you want to click transfer right here, and here they can add and delete the owners and the managers, change account permissions, include yours, and delete this account completely. So you must remember that. So it must be only you and yourself alone only. So there you go guys, that is how you do it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.